Hi, Clara.
Hi, Jack. It's nice to hear you again. How are you today?
I'm doing okay. A little hungry, to be honest.
Ah, hungry already. Is it morning hunger or late breakfast hunger?
Late breakfast hunger. I skipped breakfast because I woke up late.
That happens. I can almost hear your stomach from here.
Yeah, it is not very quiet today. It's complaining.
Poor stomach. Well, my day is good. I just finished some work and now I have time to relax and talk with you.
That sounds nice. Talking with you is always relaxing and helpful.
I'm glad to hear that. So, since you are hungry, let me ask you something simple. What did you eat yesterday?
Yesterday, I ate rice and chicken at home.
That sounds good. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did. But I think I like it more when the chicken is spicy.
Oh, interesting. So you don't like plain food very much.
Not really. Plain food makes me a little sad.
I understand. Food can affect our mood.
Exactly. When food is good, life is better.
That's very true. And you know, Jack, what you just did is very important in English.
Really? I was just talking about food.
Yes, but you were talking about what you like and don't like. That's something you do almost every day.
Oh, yes. At home, at restaurants, with friends.
Exactly. So today, we're going to talk about something very useful for daily life.
Let me guess. Food again?
Yes, more specifically, we're going to practice talking about food preferences in English.
Ah, that sounds very useful. And dangerous, because now I'm more hungry.
We'll survive. And dear viewers, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to continue learning English together.
Yes, please do. It helps us. And my stomach, too, somehow.
And now, Jack, let me ask you something to start. When you are in a restaurant, what is one thing you always need to do before ordering?
I need to choose what I like?
Exactly. And before choosing, you often need to express your preferences.
Preferences. What I like and what I don't like.
Perfect. So let me explain this simply. When you talk about food preferences, first, you often say what you like or love. Then you may say what you don't like or what you avoid. And sometimes you explain a little why. That's it. Simple and natural.
That sounds manageable, I think.
Good. Don't worry. We'll go step by step. Now, let's start with the most basic and useful phrase. Imagine you are looking at a menu. You want to say what you like. The simple sentence is, I like.
Okay, that sounds easy.
Try it. Think about food you enjoy.
I like spicy food.
Very good. That sentence is perfect.
Ah, a good start.
Yes, good job. Now, sometimes like is not strong enough. Maybe you really enjoy something. Then you can say, I love.
That sounds strong.
It is, but it's very common. Try it.
I love grilled chicken.
Excellent. Clear and natural.
Nice. I feel confident. For now.
Good. Now let's talk about the other side. Sometimes you need to say what you don't like. The simplest sentence is, I don't like.
That one feels a little negative.
It's okay. It's polite and normal in English. Try it.
I don't like very sweet food.
That's very good. You even added very. Nice detail.
Thank you. My confidence is still alive.
And now, Jack, let me ask you something to start. When you are in a restaurant, I'm your friend and I ask you about food. Ready?
Ready, I think.
So, Jack, what kind of food do you like?
I like Italian food.
Great answer. And what don't you like?
I don't like eat cold food.
That's very close. Small correction. You should say, I don't like eating cold food.
Ah, okay. I don't like eating cold food.
Perfect. Good correction.
Thank you. Cold food and grammar both are difficult for me.
You're doing very well. Now, let's make it a little more real. Sometimes people ask about preferences politely. For example, do you like?
Yes, I hear that often.
Good. I'll ask you, do you like seafood?
Yes, I like seafood.
Great. Now answer with a little more detail.
I like seafood, but I don't like fish with many bones.
That's an excellent sentence, very natural.
Really? No mistake?
No mistake, you should be proud.
I am, a little.
Now, sometimes you don't hate something, but you don't really like it either. Then you can say, I prefer.
Prefer, okay.
For example, I prefer chicken to beef. It means you like chicken more.
I see. Let me try. I prefer rice than pasta.
Almost perfect. Small correction. You should say, I prefer rice to pasta, not than pasta.
I prefer rice to pasta.
Excellent. Very good correction.
These small words are tricky.
They are, but you're learning them well, don't worry. Now, let's connect everything. Likes, dislikes, and preferences. I'll ask you again, what kind of food do you like?
I like spicy food. I love grilled chicken. I don't like eating cold food, and I prefer rice to pasta.
That was excellent, Jack. Very clear and natural.
Wow, that felt smooth.
Because it was, you're improving.
Clara, can I ask something?
Of course.
Can I ask, what if I don't know the name of the food?
Very good question. Then you can say something simple like, I like this, or I don't like that, or I prefer this one. You can also point or describe it a little.
That's comforting, because menus can be scary.
They can, especially when you're hungry. Now, before we move on, let's prepare you for a real situation. Imagine you are about to order food. You already know what you like and don't like. Next, you will need to express your preference to another person, like a waiter.
Talking to a waiter. That's always a little stressful.
That's normal, but you're ready. Soon you'll use exactly what you learned today.
Okay, but I hope the person speaks slowly.
That's a perfect feeling for learning. Take a deep breath. We're going to try it together. Okay, Jack, now it's time to use what you just practiced.
All right, I feel ready, but also a little nervous.
That's normal. Look, the waiter is coming now. Just speak slowly and be yourself.
Okay, let's do this.
Good afternoon. Welcome. How are you today?
Good afternoon. I'm doing well, thank you.
Great to hear. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I just moved to the area recently.
Oh, welcome then. Please have a seat. Would you like a menu?
Yes, please. Thank you very much.
Here you go. Take your time.
Thanks. There are many options.
Yes, our menu can feel a little long at first. Are you looking for something specific?
Well, I'm still deciding. I'm kind of hungry, but also careful.
Careful.
Yes, I mean, I like food with flavor, but not everything.
I see. That makes sense.
Can I ask you something?
Of course. Go ahead.
Is your food very spicy?
Some dishes are spicy, but not all. We can also adjust the spice level.
Oh, that's good to know. I like spicy food, but not too spicy.
Not too spicy. Got it.
Sorry.
It's okay. Go ahead.
How do I say that politely?
You can say, I like spicy food, but I prefer it mild.
Okay. I like spicy food, but I prefer it mild.
Perfect. That helps a lot. Do you have any food preferences or things you don't like?
Yes, I don't like very sweet food.
Not very sweet. All right.
And I don't like eating cold food.
No cold food. That's easy. What about meats or vegetables?
I eat both. I really like chicken.
Chicken is popular here.
I love grilled chicken especially.
Then you might enjoy our grilled chicken plate. It comes with rice and vegetables.
That sounds good. What kind of vegetables are included?
Today we have carrots, green beans, and a small salad on the side.
I see. That's fine. I like vegetables, but I prefer them cooked.
They are lightly cooked, not raw.
Perfect.
Would you like rice or potatoes with that?
Rice, please. I prefer rice to potatoes.
Rice. Good choice.
Can I ask something else?
Sure.
Is the chicken very salty?
Not really. It's well seasoned, but not too salty.
That's good. I don't like food that is too salty.
Understood.
This feels easier than I expected.
You're doing great.
Thank you. That helps.
Would you like any sauce on the side?
Sauce. Clara?
You can ask what kind of sauce it is, or say if you like it or not.
Right. What kind of sauce is it?
It's a light garlic sauce.
Garlic. Yes, I like garlic.
Would you like it on the chicken or on the side?
On the side, please. I like to choose how much I use.
Of course. And for a drink?
I usually drink water.
Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
No problem.
I think I'm ordering like a professional now.
It sounds like it.
So just to confirm, grilled chicken, mild spice, rice, cooked vegetables, garlic sauce on the side, and still water.
Yes, that's correct.
Great. I'll bring that out soon.
Clara, that sounded like a real game.
You did well, Jack. You explained your preferences very clearly.
I was nervous at first, but then the words came.
Because you practiced them before.
Here is your water. The food will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you.
While you wait, may I ask, where are you from?
I'm from Morocco. I moved here recently.
Welcome. How are you liking the food here so far?
I like it. There are many choices, sometimes too many.
That's a common feeling.
I'm learning what I like and what I don't like.
That's the best way. Here we are, grilled chicken, just as you asked.
It smells really good.
Take your time and enjoy. Let me know if you need anything.
I will. Thank you very much. Okay, moment of truth.
Go ahead, try it.
Wow, this is very good.
What do you think?
The chicken is juicy, the spice is mild, just like I like it.
That's great.
I'm glad I said what I prefer.
Yes, when you talk about your food preferences, people can help you better.
That makes sense. You know, before, I was afraid to order food in English.
And now?
Now I feel more confident. Hungry, but confident.
That's progress.
Next time, I might even try something new.
Exactly. That's how learning works, one step at a time.
Clara, thank you for helping me.
You did the hard part. I just guided you a little.
Still, I couldn't do this before.
And now you can. And next, we'll practice it again so it feels even more natural.
Sounds good. I'm ready. After I finish eating.
Jack, before we wrap up, let's take a moment to revisit the words and expressions we used today.
Oh, I like that. It helps everything stay clear in my head.
Good. Let's start naturally. When you ordered food, you talked a lot about preferences.
Right, preferences. That's about what I like or don't like.
Exactly. Preferences means the things you like more than others.
So when I say, I prefer rice to potatoes, that's me talking about my preferences.
Perfect example. That's exactly how people use it in real life.
I feel like that word makes me sound more confident.
It does. It shows you know what you want. And connected to that, we use the verb prefer.
Prefer. Yes, that one almost confused me earlier.
That's normal. Prefer means you like one thing more than another.
So you could say, I prefer mild food if spicy food is too strong.
Yes, that's a great sentence. Very natural.
Honestly, I use that word a lot now, especially with food.
Food makes learning easier. Another word that came up was spicy.
Ah, yes, spicy, my friend and my enemy.
Spicy means food with a strong, hot flavor from spices.
Like when I said, I like spicy food, but not too spicy.
Exactly. That sentence sounded very natural.
Saying not too spicy saved my mouth today.
And your experience. That's why it's useful. You also described food as mild.
Mild. That one felt polite.
It is. Mild means not strong, not very spicy or salty.
So when I said I prefer it mild, I meant I wanted a gentle flavor.
Yes, and that's what people often say in restaurants.
I see why waiters like that word.
It helps them help you. Speaking of flavor, we heard the word salty.
Oh, yes, I said I don't like food that is too salty.
Right. Salty means food with a lot of salt.
Like when fries taste too strong and make you thirsty.
That's a perfect image. Everyone understands that. My body always complains after salty food. Then your sentence was very honest. Another useful expression you used was on the side.
Ah, yes, I asked for the sauce on the side.
On the side means separate, not mixed with the main food.
So you could say, I'd like the sauce on the side if you want control.
Exactly. That's what people say all the time.
I felt very adult when I said that.
You sounded very natural, and that connects nicely to the word sauce.
Sauce, the thing that can make food amazing or dangerous.
True. Sauce is a liquid or soft food added for flavor.
Like garlic sauce, which I said I like.
Yes, and that helped the waiter understand you.
Garlic is always a safe choice for me.
Many people would agree. We also talked about grilled food.
Grilled chicken, my favorite.
Grilled means cooked over heat, often on a grill.
So when I said I love grilled chicken, that was clear.
Very clear, and very common.
It sounds better than cooked chicken, honestly.
It does. Another important word was seasoned.
Oh yes, the waiter said the food was well seasoned.
Seasoned means food has spices or salt added for flavor.
So when something is well seasoned, it tastes good, but not too strong.
Exactly. That's what people usually mean.
I like that word. It feels professional.
It's very useful in food conversations. You also mentioned juicy when you tasted the chicken.
Yeah, because it wasn't dry.
Right. Juicy means the food is moist and full of juice.
Like when meat is soft and not dry at all.
Perfect explanation.
That word made me sound like a food critic.
A very friendly one. And we can't forget menu.
Ah, the long menu that scared me at first.
Menu means the list of food and drinks in a restaurant.
Like when I said there are many options on the menu.
Exactly. Very common, very useful.
Menus are less scary now.
That's progress. One more important word was adjust.
Adjust, like when the waiter said they could adjust the spice level.
Yes, adjust means to change something a little to fit your needs.
So you could say, can you adjust the spice?
Perfect. That's exactly how it's used.
I didn't know I could ask that before.
Now you do. So, viewers, today we talked about food preferences using real words from a real situation.
Preferences, prefer, spicy, mild, salty.
Yes, and also grilled, seasoned, juicy, sauce on the side, menu, and adjust.
All words you actually hear in restaurants.
Exactly. These words help you say what you like, what you don't like, and how you want your food.
Viewers, here's a small challenge.
I like that. Go ahead.
Try writing 3 to 5 sentences in the comments using these words.
For instance, talk about food you like, food you avoid, or how you order in a restaurant.
Don't worry about being perfect. Practice is the goal.
Absolutely. We love reading your examples and supporting your progress.
And if you enjoyed learning with us today,
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, viewers.
that way you won't miss the next lesson.
We'll keep practicing real English, step by step.
And maybe with more food.
Most likely.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye for now and happy learning.